Hello everyone. Today again we are having a new lecture for the same chapter, aldehyde, carboxylic acid and ketones. So first we are completing the aldehyde and ketones. In that case we are going to discuss the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Yesterday we have completed the addition of alcohol. So now again addition of ammonia and its derivative today we are going to discuss. So check it once. Addition of ammonia and derivative. Addition of ammonia and its derivative. So what is ammonia? This is our ammonia NH3, and if we are talking about the derivative, then NH2, remove one hydrogen and add Z. At the place of Z we can use whatever we want, okay, according to the condition, OH, NH2, whatever. So let us check the mechanism. In this case, if we are talking about the carbonyl compound, then C. So here this is our carbonyl compound. Oxygen is having lone pair this time, reacting with ammonia. So HN, we can write it like this, NH and Z. At the place of Z, if you are using hydrogen, then it becomes ammonia and there will be no problem. Nitrogen is more electronegative in this case, so it won't electron and hydrogen becomes free. So this is partial positive and this is partial negative species. So that lone pair attach with this species and this species becomes free. So what we are getting ultimately here, carbon, double bond oxygen, and at the same time hydrogen is attached, oxygen is donating, hydrogen is attached, then it is having positive charge, and carbon is having also positive charge. So that is the condition here. And now the remaining portion is NHZ negative, that will be attached here to the carbon, and finally we are getting NHZ and here OH. Like that we are getting these electrons shifted here, and the positive charge on the carbon will be vanish, on the oxygen will be vanish, and this kind of species we are getting. So next case, there will be a removal of water molecule like that, and finally we are getting double bond nitrogen, hydrogen electrons shifted, converted into double bond, and Z. At the place of Z we can use derivative. So in that case, what are the derivative available and what are the important one? We are talking number one, double bond nitrogen. If at the place of Z hydrogen we are using, so it's called imine. Imine formation will be done. At the place of Z, if R you are using, then it's called substituted. We are using R, so it is our substituted imine. And one very important thing, it also called Schiff base. At the place of Z, if you are using OH, then it's called oxime. Here these two are very important as per the competitive point of view. Star, this is also very important. Then number 4, at this place NH2 is attached, then it's called hydrazone. Number 5, N, and then NH, benzene ring, so it's called phenylhydrazone. Phenylhydrazone. Similarly, one more is there, double bond nitrogen, NH, C double bond NH2, it's called semi-carbazone. So these are the derivative product of ammonia. So this is all about the addition of ammonia and its derivative. Okay, one more is there, I forget actually, 7 number I am writing here. So double bond N, NH, here NO2, and here NO2, 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone. So that's all about the addition of ammonia and its derivative. Thank you.